What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danique, and you'll definitely want to subscribe because we get lit on this channel, period. Okay, so as y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a lingerie haul, and I've not done one of these in quite a while. Actually, I haven't really been doing hauls and stuff because if you've been keeping up with me, you know, I just recently moved, so I'm trying to like get back into the swing of things and upload them regularly. So that's what we're gonna do today, and we're gonna start off doing one of my favorite things, a lingerie haul. So I'm excited. So just a few housekeeping things, disclaimers. Every time I do these videos, I get guys under my post saying, turn around, you didn't show enough, da 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 da. And it's like, obviously I can't do that. This is YouTube, this is not OnlyFans. I do have OnlyFans if you want to see more, but this is not OnlyFans. This is not the time or the place. Okay, please don't get in the comments, you know, being annoying, because I'll argue. I'm not one of these influencers. I'll argue, and if I don't want to argue, I'll just block you. So you know, it is what it is. So it's like lingerie slash loungewear, and everything is from Savage X Fenty. I just got a VIP membership with them, and also got some stuff from Fashion Nova. So it's like a mixture between the two. So I actually like I pre-recorded me already like in this stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all, put like a side by side so y'all see me in it. I'm gonna show y'all like on the screen too. But I'm gonna start off with something I can't show y'all because it's like completely see-through. But I got this from Fashion Nova and it says 3X, 4X. And hopefully I remember to link everything down below. But like I said, I've not recorded a video in a while. So if I didn't, just remind me and I'll put the links down below. But yeah, I can't show y'all me in this, so I won't be putting a side by side for this one because it is like complete see-through lace. But I will put a picture of the model up because I don't, you know, they edit on pictures, so you can't see nothing on her, but on me you'll be able to see some things. And you see, you know, we can't show that on YouTube. But like I said, subscribe to my OnlyFans. This is really cute, like teddy bodysuit. I can't really show y'all, but like I said, I'll put a picture of the model on. But that's the front of it, and I just love this. I'm starting to love myself in like blue lingerie, and for real, blue is not my color. Like, it's not my top pick, but I think I look really good in blue. Like, look at this. But yeah, this is some completely see-through lace. Yeah, it's like this navy royal bright, like, I don't know, it's a really pretty blue, but only thing is I feel like it's not gonna have that much support, but it is really stretchy if you're like worried about the fit. I feel like this gives you a lot of stretch, and like I said, it's a 3X, 4X. So you know, if you're like on the bigger side of a 3X, I feel like this will do, because like I said, it's really stretchy. And I did not try this on. I should have tried it on just to tell you how it fit, but I feel like it's gonna fit pretty good. Like, I kind of tell because of like the stretch in it. But I don't know, I just thought this was cute, so I wanted to pick it up. I think the model looks really good in it. Hopefully I look as good as her. Probably not, but you know, I had to try. Okay, next set I got from Savage X Fenty. I see these sets all around Instagram, so I had to get one, and I was actually quite surprised it fit. So I guess it's like a loungewear set. So it is a crop top. And I got pink. Pink's one of my favorite colors. So this crop top, and it's embroidered in Savage X Fenty at the bottom, which doesn't show too much on me because, you know, my boobs are huge. I will say it is kind of tight fitting, but I pretty much expected that. Yeah, I expected it. These are the bottoms. I got leggings. I was really surprised these fit like extremely, because I did not feel like these were gonna have enough stretch for me. They are extremely see-through, so they're not like something you can wear out by any means. Don't do that unless you want to. But again, has the Savage X Fenty at the top. Really stretchy, obviously, because I can't believe these fit still. Now, for me, I don't walk around the house in leggings. I don't walk around in the house with nothing on. But I kind of wish I would have got, they have like panties that go with it too, or like boy shorts, I think they're called, but they look like panties. I wish I would have got those, because I feel like those will be more comfy walking around in the house in. But I got these just to switch it up, but they're really cute and I will wear it around the house. But yeah, I just had to get one of these sets because I feel like this is like a staple Savage X Fenty piece that I had to add to my little loungewear collection. And to go with this, y'all, I got some these furry slippers, and let me tell y'all, I be wearing these all the time. I love these slippers. They come in this little pink bag and I'm like, oh my god. So these are so cute and comfy. I wear these literally all the time. I want to go get some more because yeah, I feel like really bougie walk around my place in these slippers. Like, the next set is from Fashion Nova. I got one of their like staple loungewear pieces. So this is in a 3X. It's like their bra and panty set. I had this in black a while ago, so I wanted to get it in pink because pink is my favorite color. And it's like the, I don't know if it's gonna focus because it's like a really light pink, y'all. But it's kind of like the Savage X Fenty, like it's, you know, it says Fashion Nova at the top. I doubt it's not gonna focus. It's like a very like light pink. And let me show you the top. It's literally like the same shit as the Savage X Fenty with the logo on it. Y'all see me try on, it'll show up better hopefully, because yeah, y'all can't even get the gist of it from this camera because it's like that light. It's this really like pretty pink, but I love it. Only thing is you can barely see that it says Fashion Nova because it is such a light pink, but it's okay. I know that it says Fashion Nova, so that's all that matters. Okay, so this is from Fashion Nova as well, and it's this cute loungewear set. When I tell y'all, so let me fix my nose ring. When I tell y'all I'm obsessed with this, honey, I need to, I think they have it in black. I want to go get it in black. Definitely got to, because these are the bottoms, little boy shorts, stretchy is all y'all. So yeah, stretchy. And they're so like soft and comfy. Let me show you the top. This top, it's just like a little tank top, but I'm telling y'all, like this is like the comfiest like probably pajamas that I have. This is a 3X. Yes, a 3X. And definitely, if they have more colors in this, I believe they have black. I hope they have black because, you know, I live in black. I'm gonna go cop me the black set, because when I tell you, this is like the most comfiest pajama sets. It's so comfy. I'm definitely, when I take a shower tonight, I'm putting this on because that's my new favorite pajama set. Okay. It's a 3-piece set I got. I got this little like, it's low-key a bikini top, I guess. Well, it is. It gives me Grinch vibes. I know Christmas is like long gone, but it definitely gives me like Grinch vibes. It's gonna show up brighter on the screen, but y'all seeing the well, it's bright, but like it's like showing up like too bright on this screen. Sorry. Y'all see the real color in the try on. But yeah, so cute. And it has this gold, I don't know if it's gonna focus. It has this gold piece symbol that says Savage, and I just think that is so cute. Then you have to tie yourself, by the way. So I already put my ties in, and I'm probably just gonna leave it like that so I don't mess it up. You gotta tie it around the neck. It's literally just like a bikini top, so yeah. Then it comes with these boy shorts. Whew, I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, it comes with these boy shorts. Oh, look, the color's picking up right now. Really, it's like, I would call it a like high waist panty, but I'm pretty sure it's promoted as a boy short, but whatever. It doesn't really matter. They're cute either way. Pretty much basic, and it has a little Savage emblem in it. And then I got the matching robe, and my favorite robe, y'all. Favorite, especially like these cold winter months, because it's like this fuzzy material. And has pockets. The robe has pockets, a plus. So yeah, it's just a robe. I'm not gonna show you that, but I know since it's this fuzzy material, I'm probably thinking like it's itchy, but it's not. It's super comfy. Like I took pictures in this for Instagram OnlyFans, and I'm telling y'all, I literally didn't take it off afterwards because I was so comfy. Like, it's so soft, it's so warm. And honestly, this is my favorite robe. And I was actually scared to get the robe because I watched other plus size hauls. And I seen they had the robe and it looked like it didn't like come all the way around, but it actually like fits around me, so I was surprised. Cause okay, yeah, the top and the bottom are a 3X, but this is only a 2X, 3X, so I was surprised it fit me. I think it's a 2X. Yeah, it's a 2X, 3X. So I didn't think it was like really gonna wrap around like it did, but it does, and it's fits really nice, and it's super warm. And oh, y'all, I love this. This is my favorite robe for, you know, especially for this time of year. Get out to shower and you're all cold, you can throw that on. And also for that set, they have different like combinations you can get. They have pants, I think they have a onesie, they have a long sleeve shirt. I just got that combination of things, but they have like other things. They have the green color and the blue. You get like combination of a set. I really, I'm just gonna put this out to the universe, would appreciate it if Savage X Fenty made this set in pink. Green is my favorite color, don't get me wrong, but I feel like it will look so pretty in pink, and I'm just gonna manifest it. If it just was to so happen, you heard it here first, okay? Thing is this, I told y'all I'm loving the blue. But I don't even know what color blue to call this, y'all. It is just so gorgeous. Like, and let me show y'all the details. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell. It's like, has a sparkly details in it. Can y'all see? I don't know. And then the back has the logo. It's the details for me, it's the details. But it's like one of them high waist, high cut teddy bodysuits, which, by the way, not my favorite kind of bodysuit. I feel like it doesn't flatter my body because I have a tummy. Not that I care, but I just feel like it's not like the most flattering on me. So, you know, it's not my first pick of lingerie, but that's kind of why I got it, because I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. I actually already did take pictures with this on my OnlyFans. I did not turn around in the try on because I can't, because it's a thong, and I still might get demonetized for this video because YouTube be tripping, but if I turned around, I would have been done. So y'all really want to see what it looks like from the back, from the back, from the back, from the back, from the back. It's already up on my OnlyFans. Okay, this next thing is from Savage X Fenty too. It is another robe, y'all. I love robes. I have a robe on. I got 2 robes. I just ordered a fucking, y'all, okay, side note here, but I just ordered this expensive ass robe from, where did I get it from? Torrid. It was like $60, but hear me out. I love a silk robe, but the ones I have don't like fit all the way around, and I just wanted like a real bougie silk robe, so I like splurged a little bit because I feel like, y'all know Torrid is expensive. So it's like I felt like I need to splurge on an expensive robe, an expensive silk robe. So that's what I did, and I can't wait for it to come in the mail. Okay, side note, okay. So this is another robe from Savage X Fenty. Again, I believe this is a 2X, 3X. They don't have like full 3Xs in robes, which, okay, like y'all could have some full 3Xs. I feel like that'd be nice. But I don't have a problem with the green one. The green one fits, but this one fits kind of small and short. It does wrap around. Like I said, I watched other girls Savage X Fenty hauls, and it looked like it wasn't gonna wrap around on me because, to me, I don't know. Obviously, I know I'm a big girl, but I be feeling like I just be thinking I'm bigger than what I am. I never think anything's gonna fit me. So it like stops me from buying a lot because I have that problem. But I just really wanted to see how Savage X Fenty fit, and luckily everything fit me. So I'm kind of surprised. But like I said, this did kind of fit, kind of what was I saying, like small and short. Like it didn't wrap, it wrapped around, but not like how I wanted it to. Like I wanted to hug my body. I still live in this. It's like a little house. I supposed to put it on. I can't do that. It's like a little house coat, like a little jacket. It's like a jacket for real. It has a hood. It says Fenty on the back, and this has pockets as well. So yeah, I wear this. I've been wearing this since I got it too, because if I'm cold, I could just like easily like just throw that on. Hey, but that's it for this lingerie haul. Y'all, my birthday's coming up, so I want to do like a birthday haul. I ordered some stuff for my birthday. Ordered like so much stuff for my birthday. A lot of it I did not like so far, so I ordered more stuff. So I think I'm gonna do like a birthday haul. Maybe, I don't know what I'm gonna name it. It's gonna be, but it's gonna be like me picking out outfits for my birthday, even though I'm not doing shit for my birthday this year. It's probably just gonna be like a chill, relaxing birthday. So yeah. But what was I wanna say? Let's see. But yeah, that haul's coming up once I get everything in the mail, because I ordered from a couple different places. So look out for that. My weekly Wednesday vlogs. I'm struggling posting them on Wednesday. So like, if I don't post it on Wednesday, I'll wait till the next week, and it's like, bitch, just post it. So I don't know if I want to drop the Wednesday and just put weekly vlog, so it's just up whenever I decide to post it. But I just feel like that's a cute title and I want to change it. Like, if I don't just get my shit together and post it on Wednesday, like, just post it. So yeah, weekly Wednesday vlogs are coming. And I'm gonna do a life update. I definitely gonna do a life update because like a lot has changed. Or I don't want to do a Q&A. Do I want y'all to ask me questions, or do I just want to? Cause y'all could be messy. So I don't know. I might just, should I like try to ask me questions, or should I just tell y'all? Yeah, y'all just too messy. Y'all be messy. So yeah, okay. And what else? And what, I don't know, just, you know, what kind of videos I'm gonna see, and we're gonna get them done. Okay, I'm out, y'all. Subscribe to my OnlyFans if y'all want to see more of me in these sets. Or just subscribe, period, and support your girl. Okay, okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.